From the very beginning of human existence, we've been driven by an unquenchable curiosity, a desire to explore, to discover, and to understand the world beyond our own. And when it comes to exploration, few places have captured our imagination like Mars, the red planet. For centuries, we've looked up at the night sky wondering, could there be life on Mars? What secrets does this mysterious world hold? Thanks to NASA's incredible missions, we're closer than ever to answering these questions. So let's dive into the top discoveries on Mars that have changed the way we see our neighboring planet, and maybe even ourselves. Imagine a Mars not as the dry, dusty planet we see today, but as a world filled with flowing rivers, vast lakes, and maybe even oceans. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, and the Curiosity rover found undeniable proof that liquid water once existed on Mars. They discovered ancient riverbeds, lake beds, and minerals that only form in water. Why does this matter? Because where there's water, there's the potential for life. This discovery suggests that Mars once had conditions that could have supported living organisms. It's a reminder that our solar system might not be as lonely as we once thought. In 2018, the Curiosity rover made a groundbreaking discovery: organic molecules in Martian soil and rocks. These molecules are the chemical building blocks of life as we know it. Why does this matter? While these molecules don't prove life existed on Mars, they tell us that the ingredients for life were once present. It's like finding a recipe book in an empty kitchen. It doesn't mean a meal was cooked, but it shows the potential was there. NASA's Curiosity rover and the European Space Agency's Trace Gas Orbiter detected something surprising in Mars's atmosphere: methane spikes. Methane is a gas that can be produced by both geological processes, like volcanic activity, and biological processes, like microbes. Why does this matter? These methane spikes raise tantalizing questions. Could there be tiny microbes living beneath Mars's surface producing this gas? Or is it just the planet's geology at work? Either way, it's a mystery that keeps scientists on the edge of their seats. Ancient habitable environments, a lake on Mars. When Curiosity explored Gale Crater, it found evidence of an ancient lake bed. This wasn't just any lake, it was one that could have supported microbial life billions of years ago. Why does this matter? This discovery confirms that Mars wasn't always the barren world we see today. It had environments where life could have thrived, making it a prime target in our search for extraterrestrial life. Seasonal water flows on Mars. Today, NASA's MRO observed dark streaks on Martian slopes that appear and disappear with the seasons. These streaks, called recurring slope lineae, suggest that liquid water might still flow on Mars today, albeit in small amounts. Why does this matter? If liquid water exists on Mars today, even in tiny amounts, it could be a game changer for future human missions. Water is essential for life, and it could also be used to produce oxygen and fuel for astronauts. Martian weather and climate, a planet of extremes. NASA's rovers and orbiters have studied Mars's weather patterns, from massive dust storms that engulf the entire planet to temperature fluctuations that can swing from freezing to slightly less freezing. Why does this matter? Understanding Mars' climate is crucial for planning future human missions. It helps us design habitats, spacesuits, and equipment that can withstand the planet's harsh conditions. NASA's InSight lander detected Marsquakes, seismic activity that provides a glimpse into Mars's interior. These quakes help scientists understand the planet's geological activity and evolution. Why does this matter? By studying Marsquakes, we can learn more about Mars' core, mantle, and crust. It's like taking an X-ray of the planet, revealing its hidden secrets. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. Orbiter missions have revealed evidence of ancient volcanic activity, including lava flows and volcanic plains. Why does this matter? This shows that Mars was once a geologically active planet with a fiery past that shaped its surface. It's a reminder that planets, like people, have stories to tell. NASA's Phoenix lander and orbiters found subsurface ice near Mars's poles and mid-latitudes. This ice could be a vital resource for future human missions. Why does this matter? Water is essential for life, and it can also be split into hydrogen and oxygen to create breathable air and rocket fuel. This discovery could be the key to sustaining human presence on Mars. And NASA's Perseverance rover is currently exploring Jezero Crater, an ancient river delta. It's collecting rock and soil samples that could contain signs of past microbial life. Why does this matter? These samples will be returned to Earth in the future, where scientists can analyze them for evidence of life. It's one of the most exciting missions in the search for extraterrestrial life. These discoveries have transformed our understanding of Mars, revealing its potential to have once supported life and paving the way for future exploration. They remind us that Mars isn't just a distant planet, it's a world with a story, a history, and maybe even a future for humanity. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that reddish dot, remember, Mars is more than just a planet. It's a symbol of human curiosity, resilience, and the unending quest for